Well, this is what makes the race cars go. This is the bottom underneath the track is some kind of pressed foam-filled fiberglass or something, whatever. Vertical, the wood pieces you see are vertical spacers. Distance is critical. On top of each engine is 4 magnets. Well, that's what makes all these things go around with the magnets. Figure 8 frame. Four cars can be on top of each engine. Very tight turns. That inside figure 8 is a 24-inch diameter. It's a 12-inch radius. And the outside train is like a 34-inch diameter, 17-inch radius. Incredibly tight turns.